Yesterday I did the latest update for the RC controller, and then I went out later with my Mini 3 Pro to do a test flight, and unfortunately during that test flight I put the drone into doing a circle. Now some people were saying they noticed on the screen that my avoidance had turned off. Would that make any difference? I don't know. But what had happened, it hit a bush, and then what it's done, it's landed on top of this hill that I can't get to. So today's mission is to get to I know where the drone is. I've actually put up a bit of footage. I'll just put it up now, what I did yesterday with my Operador 2. So I know where the drone is. I can't get to it. So today's mission is to try and rescue it. I'm back on the rescue mission now. It's about 11:30. It's Friday. I'm just going to walk around because you can see how steep it is, and up there it's like loose rock. So I'm just going to walk around the base of this first, and then I'm going to send the drone up because let's put it around this way. Because yesterday evening I was down in the basement, and I thought my wife had knocked something off in her. She's got like a workshop, and she's got like this other level, and I know she's been moving stuff about, and there's a sort of a big bang and a shudder, and what it was, it was an earthquake of all things. It's the biggest earthquake that I've ever heard, and it wasn't very far from where we live, and it was about 3.5 miles down apparently. Anyway, I was hoping, as I just got here, that maybe it just sort of moved off the top a bit, but I don't think so. So I'm just gonna, like I said, I'm just going around the base of this first. It's not looking very good, to be honest. Unless I'm a mountain goat, it could end in disaster. But anyway, we're gonna give it a go.
Home point updated.
Right, so I don't know if you can see that, but that's the first thing, is it's swinging around. Obviously it's going around in circles. So, you know, what do I use? Right? I mean, this is a fishing line. Would a piece of string be any different? Probably not. So I'm just gonna try a couple things first, and we're just gonna see. Oh, okay, thought it was coming down then. So this is what's worrying me, because I've never done this before in my life, so I don't know what's going to happen. You know, I'll just get over here a minute. Huh. See, the other thing is I'm worried about is that cable going in where the props are, and the screen's messing about at the moment. I think the other thing I got to do, I can see what the problem is now, is I've got to cover the sensors over so we can sort that problem out. I just want to see if I can move that hook. See, you know what? I'm not going to do it. I can just see what's going to happen with me. Either that cable was going to get wrapped, which it was just wrapped around that prop then, and that bush up there. Even if I covered over the sensors, which I was about to do, but I can't get up there. And I'd be amazed if anybody can get up there. I mean, if anybody can get up there, good luck to them. I think, end of the day, you just got to make that. It's unfortunate because I love to check if I've got that drone and I've got the drone working again. I love to check the actual screen because a lot of people said they noticed the obstacle avoidance thing, said it turned off. Shouldn't have done. I don't think it would have made any difference to me flying it. I think I would have still done that, whatever. But and I did get a comment when I read this morning about the new update, and his drone flew off. So, be interesting to see how many other people, if they had a problem, you know, with the new update. I don't think so. End of the day, error, pilot error, me. You know, I shouldn't have flown it from that distance from over there. I should have realised I should have the drone up a bit higher. I didn't. You think about these things afterwards, but I think personally, you can see there with the line. You know, I know I haven't got the weight on it. The weight would have been all right, but you saw it swinging about, and I just think if it got stuck in that bush, no. And I have to say no. That's it. You got to. That's the other thing about when you're flying drones, guys. People like me, I got loads of drones, so I bought another drone with me anyway. But anyway, you got to. Every time I go out flying, there's always a chance you're going to lose it. You know, be it through a problem with the firmware, something going on up in the sky. These things happen, unfortunately. You just got to accept it. Okay, somebody said, "Well, have you got it insured?" Well, I don't insure drones because under that understanding. Anyway, unfortunately, I can't check. I can't check the record of that drone, unfortunately, because it's out there. But anyway, that's the way it goes. So, as always, there's been another video coming very soon.